Session time starts now. Nuti, Shloka, come. Shloka.
Fairy type of a Pikachu Pong being Dedenne with electric and fairy. Next up, we got another two Pokemon being Togedemaru and Mimikyu. Mimikyu being the definition of a Pikachu clone.
Yes.
In Generation 8, we got Morpeko, and then Morpeko has his hangry form and his full belly form being added as well. And last but not least, in Pokemon Scarlet and Violet, we ended up getting our newest Pikachu clone, and it's Tommy. So that breaks down all the Pikachu clones.
Shloka, no out. నీ స్కోర్ 0 చేస్తా.
3, 2, 1. Stop.
Ashwin score 1, 2, 3. ఇది కాదు. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. నీ స్కోర్ 9.